Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to disable Google Updates in Windows 11 computer using Task Scheduler. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To disable Google Updates using Task Scheduler on Windows 11 computer, click on Search. In Search, type Task Scheduler. Right click on Task Scheduler and click on Run as Administrator. Now expand the Task Scheduler library and then you will find Google System. Just expand it and you will find here Google Updater. Click on Google Updater. Google Updater task is ready and its operation completed successfully last time, and you can disable this task schedule. Just select the task and in right side you will find disable. Click on disable. The Google Updater task is disabled. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.